morning, second PUC students. Yesterday, what did you learn? Particular solution and general solution. The number of constants in the solution of the general solution in third degree. Third degree general solution have how many constants? Arbitrary constants. Third degree means third arbitrary constants. 10th degree means 10 arbitrary constants. Second degree means 2 arbitrary constants in particular solution free from the arbitrary constants. Any type of degree in particular solution has free from arbitrary constants. Okay, this is important point. Next, let us go to the 9.2. What is the meaning exercise 9.2? In each of the exercise 1 to 10, verify that the given functions is a solution of the corresponding differential equation. Solution of a corresponding differential equation. So, exercise 9.2, first problem. Okay, first problem. Given y is equal to ex plus 1. Y is equal to ex plus 1. What is the solution? Differential equation solution of y double dash minus y is equal to 0. What we have to prove? This is the function. If this function is the solution of the differential equation, this equation. Okay, now ఈ ఫంక్షన్ అనేది ఈ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನು ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹೌ ಟು ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್, ವೈ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ವೈ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್, ಇ ಪವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಇ ಪವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ 0 ಇ ಪವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸು. So again derivative with respect to x. So why second derivative? Why you have to second derivative? Do the second derivative in this differential equation. The highest derivative is 2. Y double dash means second derivative. So first derivative, second derivative. Y dash derivative, y double dash. E power x derivative, e power x. E power x is what from 1? E power x is what? y1. Y double dash is equal to y1 from 1 no. So y double dash minus y is equal to 0. Y double dash minus y dash equal to 0. So this is equal to 0 satisfies the y function satisfies the given differential equation. So the function is a solution of corresponding differential equation. Once again, idu function, idu differential equation. Y double dash means what? Differential equation. What we have to prove? The given function is the solution of the given differential equation. How to prove solution of the given differential equation? Y dash, y double dash minus y is equal to 0 satisfy. Y satisfies the given differential equation. So the function y function is a solution of corresponding differential equation. Okay, the prove modesty. Next, fourth problem. Y is equal to root of 1 plus x square. The corresponding differential equation is y dash is equal to xy by 1 plus x square. This one is answer with question. So first differentiate with respect to x. So y dash is equal to derivative of root x. Derivative of root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x. Derivative of root x is equal to 1 by 2 root x into dy dx of x. Here x is what? 1 plus x square. So y dash is equal to 1 by 2 into root of 1 plus x square into derivative of 1 plus x square is equal to derivative of 1 0 x square derivative 2x. E 2 cancel. So y dash is equal to x by root of 1 plus x square. So what is the differential equation? Given differential equation, y dash is equal to x into y by 1 plus x. So multiply and divide y, multiply and divide with y. So that is equal to x y by root of 1 plus x square. What is y? Y is equal to root of 1 plus x square. So that is equal to x y by 1 plus x square. So satisfied? Satisfied. So the function is a solution of corresponding differential equation. Next one. Okay now. Next to sixth problem. Y is equal to given y is equal to x sin x. Y is equal to x sin x. So gap, there is no gap. Okay, understand? The given function, this is the function, is the solution of the given differential equation. Function is given and differential equation also given. This function is the solution of the given differential equation. How to prove? This is satisfied. So satisfied. Y double dash minus y dash equal 0. Y dash is equal to x in 1 plus x square. So it's satisfied. Satisfied means the given function is the solution of the corresponding differential equation. Okay, this one. Next, problem number 6. Y is equal to x into sin x. So differential equation also y dash is equal to y, x into y dash is equal to y plus x into root of x square minus y square. So differentiate with respect to x. Y dash is equal to u into v formula, x into sin x, u into v dash. V dash means the derivative of sin x is equal to v dash. You know u into v formula? You know u into formula? U into v dash plus this is derivative of dy dx of u into v is equal to u into v dash plus v into u dash. So u into derivative of sin x cos x plus v into sin x into derivative of x 1 no. Next, multiply x both sides. X into y dash is equal to x square into cos x plus sin x. So here from 1, y is equal to x into sin x. Sin x is equal to y by x. Sin x is equal to y by x. So cos x is equal to root of 1 minus sin square x. Cos x is equal to root of 1 minus sin square x. So that is equal to 1 minus sin square x is equal to y square by x square. That is equal to root of x square minus y square by x. So x into y dash is equal to x square into, what about cos x? X into cos x value root of x square minus y square by x plus sin x is equal to what? Y by x. Sin x is equal to y by x. So multiply with x means x square, x sin x. X sin x is equal to what? Only sin x. X cancel. Therefore xy dash is equal to x into root of x square minus y square plus y. So the function is a solution of corresponding differential equation. Okay, this are same maximum 9 problems is there. These 9 problems same type. Okay, next ninth problem, last problem. Ninth problem, x plus y is equal to tan inverse y. Corresponding y square into y dash plus y square plus 1 is equal to 0. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of x 1, derivative of y. Tan inverse y is equal to derivative of tan inverse x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. Derivative of tan inverse y is equal to 1 by 1 plus y square into y dash. So multiply, cross multiplication, 1 plus y square into 1 plus y dash, cross multiplication, 1 plus y square into 1 plus y dash is equal to y dash. So 1 into 1, 1 plus 1 into y dash plus y square plus y square into y dash is equal to y dash. Y dash cancel. So y square y dash plus y square plus 1 is equal to 0. So the function is a solution of corresponding differential equation. So remaining 3-4 problems are there, so we have to do. Okay now. Okay. Let us go to the next topic, very important topic, 3 marks question in our examination. Maximum 99.99% it comes 3 marks question. Okay. Next one, formation of a differential equation, whose general solution is given. Formation of differential equation whose general solution is given. General solution is given. Okay. In the general solution, constants, arbitrary constants. Okay. So, whose general solution is given for formation of a differential equation. Differential equation formation model. Okay. So, example 4, very important to form a differential equation. Question: form a differential equation representing the family of curves y is equal to mx, where m is a arbitrary constant. So, curve y is equal to mx curve is given. Form a differential equation. Differential equation ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ವೇರ್ m is a arbitrary constant. So, what is the procedure? First, differential equation performing ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. differential equation form ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ we have to derivate only one time in the given equation because of only single arbitrary constant. Only m is single arbitrary constant. One arbitrary constant is given means one time derivative. In the given equation, two arbitrary constants are there means you have to derivate two times. Three arbitrary constants is there means you have to derivate three times. So, derivative is depending on the arbitrary constants. How many arbitrary constants are given? So, that times you have to derivate. Okay. So, finally, the differential equation, the final answer which forms differential equation form. Final differential equation has free from the arbitrary constant, without arbitrary constants. Okay, should not be there arbitrary constants in our differential equation. Differential equation ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಆ differential equation ಇಂದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಂದ ಯಾವ್ದು ಇರಬಾರದು, ಆರ್ಬಿಟ್ರರಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ అనేవి ಇರಬಾರದು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಒನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಒನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಎಷ್ಟು ಆರ್ಬಿಟ್ರರಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವು? ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಬಿಟ್ರರಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟು. ಒಂದೇ ಆರ್ಬಿಟ್ರರಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಂದರೆ ಒನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡು, ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೋ. ಆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನಿಂದ ಏನಿರಬಾರ್ದು? ಆರ್ಬಿಟ್ರರಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸು ಇರಬಾರದು. should not be there in the arbitrary constant. So, very important to compulsory 3 marks question. This is chapter 10 marks, 5 plus 3 plus 2. 2 marks question only order and degree, and 3 marks question is, this is 3 marks question, form a differential equation method. So, given curve y is equal to mx. Given curve y is equal to mx. Differentiate with respect to x. Y derivative y dash, m constant, x derivative 1. So that is equal to m. So this is the differential equation. So in the differential equation should not be there in the arbitrary constants ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, m is equal to what, y dash. This is the equation number 1. From 1 y is equal to mx. What is m? M is equal to what, y dash into x. So y minus x y dash is equal to 0. So this is also the differential equation free from the arbitrary constants. This is m substitute in the equation number 1. Okay, any type of thinking is main important to a technical problem. 3 marks question is very technical problem. So we have to derive to 1 time 2 time by the depending on the arbitrary constant. So last the final answer is without arbitrary constants. Okay, so very important one. Next to example 5, same form a differential equation, form a differential equation representing the family of curves, representing the family of curves, y is equal to a into sine of x plus b, where a comma b are arbitrary constants. A comma b are arbitrary constants. So 2 arbitrary constants are there. We have to derive 2 times. Okay. So solution, given that y is equal to a into sine of x plus b. Okay. Derivative with respect to x. Derivative with respect to x. Derivative with respect to x means y derivative y dash, a constant. This is sin x. Sin x derivative cos x, cos of x plus b into derivative of dy dx of x plus b. So y dash is equal to a into cos of x plus b, derivative of x 1 plus constant of derivative 0. So again derivative with respect to x, y dash derivative y double dash a into derivative of cos x. Derivative of cos x is equal to minus sine of x plus b, that is equal to minus a into sine of x plus b. So y double dash is equal to minus y. What is y? This is equation number 1. From what? From 1 y is equal to a into sine of x plus b. A into sine of x plus b is equal to what? Y. So y double dash is equal to minus y, or y double dash plus y is equal to 0. This is also a differential equation. In the differential equation free from arbitrary constants, without arbitrary constants. Last final answer is, which type of answer we have to come? Without arbitrary constants, or are free from arbitrary constants. This is the final answer. These 2 problems are very important too. Totally this method is also very important. In the method these 2 problems are important. Okay, next. Next, let us go to the exercise 9.3. Exercise 9.3. In each of the exercises 1 to 5, form a differential equation representing a given family of curves by eliminating arbitrary constants small a and b. ఈ 1 to 5 problems, each problem have the arbitrary constants a and b. Each equation find out, form the differential equation. So first one is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. No, this is also important too. So how many arbitrary constants are there? 2 arbitrary constants are given. So what are they? A and b. So 2 times we have to differentiate with respect to x. X derivative 1 no, by a plus y derivative y dash by b, 1 derivative 0. So simplify, y dash by b is equal to minus 1 by a, y dash is equal to minus b by a. So 2 arbitrary constants we have to derive 2 times. Already one time completed. Next again derivative with respect to x. So y dash derivative y double dash, this minus b by is the constant, the derivative of constant is 0. Okay, next second problem. Given y is equal to a into b square minus x square. Y is equal to a into b square minus x square. So here a and b are arbitrary constants, we have to derive 2 times. So differentiate with respect to x. So y derivative y dash, a constant 2, b square constant 2, derivative 0, minus x square derivative 2x. So minus 2ax. Okay, again derivative with respect to x. Again derivative with respect to x means y dash derivative y double dash minus 2a constant to x derivative 1 no. So that is equal to minus 2a. So y double dash equal to what? Without arbitrary constant, free from arbitrary constant. So here a is arbitrary constant is there. So remove the arbitrary constants. How to remove? This is this is equation number 1. From 1 substitute minus 2a value. Minus 2a is equal to what? Y double dash. Substitute minus 2a value in the equation 1. What is the equation 1? Y dash is equal to minus 2a into x. What is the value of minus 2a? Minus 2a is equal to y double dash into x. So finally x into y double dash minus y dash is equal to 0. ఈ minus 2a value ni substitute in the equation 1 no. Okay, so y dash is equal to what? Minus 2x. Minus 2a value is equal to what? Y double dash. So x into y double dash equal to y dash minus y dash equal to 0. Okay, this one. Next okay na? This is the simple first type of problems, simple problems. So tomorrow I will continue the next type, some difficult type, 3 types. Okay, these first 2 types are already the equation, the function is given. In function is given 2 types. First this easiest method and hard method. Next second type indirectly given, the equation is indirectly given. Okay, so this is the first type of method. Tomorrow I will continue the second method of differential equation. Very important too. So I will take 3 classes, so 3 types, each and every one important too. So listen carefully. Okay, thank you.